In this video, I'll show you how to add email subscription to WordPress 2024. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, let's head over to our plugin marketplace and let's search in the search bar. Now in here, let's search in here for Mail Poet. So let's search in here for that and then just click on this icon right here in order to search. And you should be able to see some search results relevant to that. Now from here, you can see this Mail Poet newsletters. And you can also see that they have two things right here. Make sure to install the one that says Buy Mail Poet. So once you have installed this, make sure that you activate it also. As you can see on my case, I've already activated it. Now, once you have activated this, you should be able to see it on your left sidebar. So you can scroll down until you can see this Mail Poet right here. So what you can do is you can click on that. And then you should be able to see the dashboard of that particular plugin. Now, here we are right here. Let's click on this begin setup right here. And then from in there, you should be able to add some few more things. Let's first start configuring our sender information. You can add your form name or also your from address and click on this continue option right here. You can also have the option to skip this step. And in here, you can power your WooCommerce store with this one. So click on this continue right here or make sure to choose check or X depending on which ones you want. And click on continue. And then once you have done that, this will actually set up your WooCommerce store. So these are the steps that we have just made. We have already added this one. We need to import our existing subscribers. So in order to do that, we need to set up subscription form for our emails. So click on the setup right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this right here. Now you can see in here some templates that you can choose from. So just choose the templates that you want to use for this one. So for me, I'll just head over and then use this dive in, which is a fitness tip template. Click on the select right here. And then once I click on that, this will load in order to show you the preview of what that specific template looks. So this is what it looks like. You can actually edit out some things, like for example, the forms for this right here. You can choose the color as well as the background, as well as the actual forms that says in this one, and also the submit message. You can also change the content that we have right here, as well as the forms or fields that will be added. Now, in here, you can see this plus icon. Now, you can add some blocks that you want, like for example, some heading, divider, image, first name, and also a lot more things that you can choose from. Once you are done editing that, click on the save right here. And then from in there, just head over and save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.